everyone, welcome back to another Girls Rock Science video. In today's video, we're gonna make a phone amplifier. It doesn't need to be only for phones, it can be for whatever device, but we're gonna make an amplifier. For this experiment, you're gonna need a roll, a cardboard roll. It can be toilet paper, it can be tinfoil, whatever cardboard roll you have. Some scissors, a pen. It's best if it was a felted pen because it shows best in cardboard. Try choosing some dark colors because it appears better. A ruler, some plastic cups. If you don't have plastic cups, it can also be cardboard cups, paper cups, whatever cups you have, and something that you're going to want to use to amplify the sound. This is part one of the experiment. For this part, you're not going to need the scissors nor the plastic cups. You're just going to need the essentials right here. First thing you're going to do is you're going to measure how long is your tube. We already measured and we found out it's 20 centimeters. And then you're going to find the middle. We know that 20 divided by 2 is 10, so let's find the middle. The middle is right here where my finger is. You're going to get your pen, and right where your finger is, you're going to make a dot. Right in the center. Now you're going to get the phone you're using and you're going to get the charging place. You're going to put it right in the middle. Then you're going to mark out the edges. Flatten it out to make it easier. Put the phone right there, right in the middle, and try to make it as snug as possible. One side. I made just 2 little markings here. For our phone, we know that it's 1.5 centimeters wide. We already measured it. Measure your phone to know. You're going to get these lines and you're going to make them 1.5 centimeters big. Make them fit your phone. 1.5, 2, 1.5. 2 lines of 1.5 centimeters. Now you're going to use your ruler and connect. Connect both lines with your ruler. This is how it should look. For this part, you're only going to need some scissors and the cardboard roll. For this part, please ask an adult to be with you because scissors can be very dangerous. If you're a kid, try to get one with no sharp ends, even though they might be dangerous. Please, when you're trying to cut out the box, don't try to cut the cardboard like this. Otherwise, it's going to damage the whole experiment. The best thing you can do is to flatten it out in the place where you're going to cut and make a tiny, tiny cut. If you need to flatten out a little more. Okay. It can be challenging, but don't give up. Ask an adult for help if needed. My hole is still not done, but it's already coming into shape. Be patient. Scissors can hurt. Now you're going to open this hole up, put your scissors in them. My hole is still not done. This is a hard procedure, so you might want to ask an adult for help. Okay, my hole is cut. It was very challenging to get it. Now you're going to put your scissors in through your hole. You're going to start cutting. Hole you made. Hole you made. Start. As you see, I had to ask my dad for help because cutting this hole is very challenging. Now, you're gonna make sure that your phone can fit in. See, here fits almost perfectly in. There is only some spaces left. You need to try to make it as snug as possible. Now we're going to test the first part. We're just going to need a tube and the phone with a song that you like or a soundtrack that you like. You're going to place the tube right here, and then you're going to place the phone in. It's playing Now United. See? It's normal sound. Now put it in here. Didn't it get louder? Now up. Doesn't get louder, but here it's so much louder. It only gets louder because the output is turning to us. If it wasn't this, it's not as loud. Like here it's much louder. Now we're going to further amplify with our amplifier. For this, you're going to need 2 plastic cups or paper cups or cardboard cups. Whatever disposable cups you have at home. The cardboard roll that's already cut and drawn on it, and a pen. I'm going to do it with 1 cup first. You're going to put the cup, you're going to get the roll, the outer end, and you're going to place it as close to the base as possible. Then you're going to more or less draw a circle. Here, as you can see, or maybe you cannot see very well because felt pen does not appear very well in plastic. I've drawn a more or less circle. Let me just define this a little bit more. Let's give some definition for cutting later. Now let's do the same thing with the other cup. You can use the same end, because it won't make a difference as both ends are the same. You might want to ask an adult for help at this part. The cup did stay a little large part. Once you cut it out, it stayed a little crazy. Let me make it a little better. It's more or less a circle. Now we're going to get the scissors and cut it out. Let's do the same thing as we did with the cardboard. We're gonna fold it up a little and try to make a hole. Plastic is a little easier to make holes. As you can see, I've made 2 holes. One in this cup and one in this cup. Now, you don't have to be perfect. So if you're perfectionism, they don't have to be perfect. Don't spend hours doing that. They just have to fit. And a top tip. Please ask for adult help in this step. It can be very dangerous because of the plastic shards can cut you. Now, we're going to see if they fit in. One fits. Now, the other one. Another top tip, if they didn't fit in the first time, just cut a little more until they fit, just like this. Now, as you can see, we're only going to need phone and our amplifier. As you can see, if we put the phone in right now, it's going to fall. So, we're going to turn this so that it stays up and the phone can stay. Now, we're going to play some song and see if it stays good. Start first with it out. Can you see it getting louder when you get into it?
You got me saying, na 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 na. Can't take my eyes off you, na 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 na. Got me acting a fool, na 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 na.
Now we're gonna turn. See how it's this. Did you know that we can't hear it as good because it is turned? Now let's turn it this way. See, it doesn't work very well because the speakers are turned that way. Now let's turn once more. Isn't it better? This happened because we're not amplifying the sound, we're not making it louder. We kept a constant volume, but here we didn't make it louder. We focused it. When you focus something, the sound waves, they join together. And then when it comes out, it sounds like it's louder, but it isn't. We just focused it, so then it seems like it's louder, but it's not. Because there are more waves coming to your ears, and then it seems much, much louder. The variables for this experiment was the independent variable was the amplifier with the rotations. The dependent variable was the sound, and our controlled variable was the volume of the device. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Please like this video, then it will help much more the channel to see to other people. And please subscribe for you to get and hit that bell, then you can get more notifications of awesome videos of science experiments you can do at home. And please comment below if you like this amplifier and questions and suggestions for other videos.